Imagine effortlessly transforming your social media presence, engaging your audience, and growing your brand, all while saving precious time. With SocialBee, this dream becomes reality, letting you focus on what you do best on in your business. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how to use SocialBee for social media. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into socialbee.com. So this is the homepage as you can see. So what is SocialBee? SocialBee is a social media management platform that helps users create, schedule, and manage their social media content efficiently. It offers tools for content categorization, analytics, and audience engagement, enable businesses and individuals to enhance their online presence and streamline their marketing efforts. So first of all you have to do is click over sign up for free, and you write your email address and your password. Then you get started and you will find this page. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, the first things that we see here is add posts. So to be honest, this SocialBee, it's for planning how you can use social media, and for example how you can post story, reels, Instagram. I will show you how you can do that. So the first thing here we have dashboard. So hello, stay on top of your social hive by creating and scheduling posts consistently. The first thing we have here, getting started with SocialBee, set up your account in just a few steps. You have here the first one, it's connect social accounts to increase your online presence. Then the second step, define your content categories to manage and diversify your posting strategy. Then we have schedule categories to craft the perfect posting plan. Then the last one, which is create and customize posts for each network. If we scroll down, we have your connected social accounts. About this one, we have just to view and manage your social accounts in one place. For example, here connect a new account, add more social accounts to increase your online performance. We have your Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Pinterest, LinkedIn, X or Twitter, and Google Business Profile, TikTok, YouTube, Blosky, Universal Posting. Then this is the dashboard. Then we have here the content. About the content, you have just to create a category. You write your category name, you write your description. You can use SocialBee for example, and you click over create. Then we have your default settings. About this one, add new posts. You just select the top of the category or the bottom of the category. So then we have here can also be used as a random category. Then we have here requeue after posting. And we have here URL settings. And that's it, how you can create a category. Then we have here of content. We have also hashtag collection. You click over add hashtag collection and you write your collection name, hashtags also here, and you create. Then you get started. Then we have here import CSV, and we have here it only takes a few clicks to import a bulk of posts to your account with a CSV import. Then we have import links to 1,000 links into 1,000 posts by quickly importing them to your account. You can just click over import links. Then you have just to write your links here and you get started. You write your category, for example engagement posts, add posts. So you can just select it and you can write your append text. Then we have also import media. Save time by importing your media in bulk. It works with images and videos. Please choose the social profiles you want to share on. And then we have here RSS. You can just click over add RSS also and you write this information and you get started with it. So it's the same about that. Pocket also, Zapier. We have browser extension, content approval also. So then we have here social media copilot. So we have answered the questions below to generate a strategy for your schedule that is relevant and on trend for your profiles. Find out more on how to use the social media copilot here. So you can just answer these questions. For example, who are you creating this for? Person, then what's your name? You write your name and you answer all these questions. So we have you answer the questions below to generate, and then we have here schedule setup. About this one, this is how your categories are scheduled. Look good. If not, just changes. So you have your combat view. You can just add posting. For example, here we select category, for example curated here. Then you select which day you have, 2 days or this days. all. Also, you can choose all the week, and here we have some posting time. So as I mentioned before, it's just for posting and planning for posting. Then you click over create. And you have your schedule statistics, random categories, promotional from a day 100%. So this is how it works. Then you have your calendar view. You can just click over, for example, here at 7 o'clock, I will choose Friday, for example, and I will select my category, posting time, and then I will create. Then we have your next posts. About this one, you have to take a look of your actual upcoming 100 posts. You have your first link list view, then you have calendar here view, grid preview, filled posts. Random category here, promotional, random category also. So you can just select the, the date that you want, for example, 24 September 2024. Then we have your analytics. See here how your social profile has been performing and growing. You have page analytic, channel growth. See how many followers you gained or lost. Then you click over gained here. You have your lost also. If you scroll down, you have other information like here, likes, dislikes, shares, comments, and engagement. Then you have post analytics also, insights, you have your Pablo, hit, and then we have post history, export also, for example here host. You can just choose list, engagement, recent first, or other things. Then we have here SocialBee services. The first step to getting your concierge services is filling in the intakes. Do that here now and start saving time. You have your intake requests, filed intakes. Then we have here engaged. You can just add new pod, name here, for example Mike, and then you click over save, and this is yours. And then the last thing we have help. So SocialBee it's very important because it offers a comprehensive solution for managing your social media strategy efficiently by organizing content into categories, scheduling posts in advance, and utilizing recycling features. You can maintain a consistent and engaging online presence. Coupled with robust analytics, SocialBee empowers you to refine your approach and maximize your reach. With this tool, you can focus more on creating quality content and less on the logistics of posting, ultimately driving better results for your brand. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.